In this video, we will show you how to view Garmin Connect badges in the Garmin Connect app. We will be using an Apple iPhone, but the instructions are the same on Android smartphones. Start by opening the Garmin Connect app on your compatible smartphone. Then select your profile avatar in the upper left. Select Profile. Here you can see a list of recently earned badges. Select All Badges to view the complete list of Garmin Connect badges. You will be able to see all the badges that you've earned. Scroll down to see more. Select Available to see a list of available badges. Here you will see all the badges you still need to earn. Note, some badges are only available for a limited time. You can also see a leaderboard to compare badge point levels with your connections. Select Leaders to view the leaderboard. You can also filter your badge list to see specific badge types or difficulty level. Select the filter icon in the upper right. You can filter by difficulty or badge type to narrow down your earned badge list and view specific badges in your account. Select Apply to confirm your filter. Then select a badge to view more details. And that's it. You can now view Garmin Connect badges in the Garmin Connect app. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.